Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mind of STEM channel, where you get your daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. I'm your host, Leon Jones. And in this segment, I want to talk about industrial technology. Now, earlier, I talked about industrial engineering. Now, there's a difference between industrial engineering and industrial technology. So, the title of this afternoon's video is Why Should You Study Industrial Technology? Why should you study industrial technology? But first, we must define what industrial technology is. Now, industrial technology is basically the use of engineering and manufacturing technology to make production faster, simpler, and of course more efficient. Thus, the industrial technology field employs creative and technically proficient individuals who can help a company achieve efficient and profitable productivity. Now, industrial programs typically include instruction in optimization theory, human factors, organizational behavior, industrial process, industrial planning procedures, computer applications, and report and presentation preparation. Now, planning and designing manufacturing processes and equipment is also a main aspect of being an industrial technologist. An industrial technologist is often responsible for implementing certain designs and processes. Now, and with every academic program, there is an accreditation process that is part of the program. It's called a programmatic accreditation. Now, engineering and engineering technology uses ABET. Now, industrial technology uses ATME, which stands for the Association of Technology Management and Application Engineering, or better yet, Association of Technology Management and Applied Engineering. And of course, that accreditation credits selected collegiate programs in industrial technology in the United States. Now, an instructor or graduate of an industrial program may choose to become a certified technical manager by sitting for a rigorous exam administered by ATME covering production planning, control, safety, quality, and management/supervision. Now, ATME program accreditation is recognized by CHIA, which stands for the Council for Higher Education Accreditation for accrediting industrial technology programs. CHIA recognizes ATME in the U.S. for accrediting associate, bachelor's, and master's degrees programs in technology, applied technology, engineering technology, and technology-related disciplines covered by the national or regional accredited institutions of the United States. Industrial technology is also one of the largest industries used. Now, when it comes to knowledge base, a career in industrial technology entails formal education from an accredited college or university. Opportunities are available to professionals with all levels of education. Those who hold associate's degrees typically qualify for entry-level technician and technologist positions, such as in the maintenance and operations of machinery. Now, bachelor's degree holders could fill management and engineering positions such as plant manager, production supervisor, quality systems engineering technologist. Now, a graduate degree in industrial technology could qualify individuals for jobs in research, teaching, and upper level management. Industrial technology includes a wide ranging subject matter in could be viewed as an amalgamation of industrial engineering and business topics with a focus on practicality and management of technical systems with less focus on actual engineering of those systems. Typical curriculum at a 4-year institution might include courses on manufacturing process, technology, impact on society, mechanical and electronic systems, quality assurance, control, material science, packaging, production, and of course, operations management, and manufacturing facility planning and design. In addition, the industrial technologists may have exposure to more vocational style education in the form of courses on CNC manufacturing, welding, and other tools of the trade in manufacturing. Now, when it comes to being an industrial technologist, industrial technology program graduates obtain a majority of positions which are applied engineering or management oriented. Since industrial technologist is not a common job in the United States, the actual bachelor's degree or associate's degree earned by an individual is obscured by the job title he or she receives. Now, typical job titles again for industrial technologists having a bachelor's degree include quality systems engineering technologist, manufacturing engineering technologist, industrial engineering technologist, plants manager, production supervisor. Typical job titles for industrial technologists having a 2-year degree include project technologist, manufacturing technologist, and processing technologist. Now, a technologist curriculum again is going to focus or specialize in a certain area, and I just mentioned it. I know Millersville University of Pennsylvania had an applied engineering technology program, and of course they focused on electronics, manufacturing, construction, graphics, automation, robotics, CAD, nanotechnology, and aviation. Now again, technological development in industry. Now, major subject is technological development in industry. Now, this has been defined as the introduction of new tools and techniques for performing given tasks in production, distribution, and data processing, the mechanization of the production process, or the achievement of a state or greater autonomy in technical production systems from human control, responsibility, or intervention. Changes in the nature and level of integration of technical production systems or enhanced interdependence, the development, utilization, and application of new scientific ideas, concepts, and information in production and other processes, and the enhancement of technical performance capabilities or increase in the efficiency of tools, equipment, and techniques in performing given tasks. Now, studies in this area often employ a multidisciplinary research methodology and shade off into wider analysis of business and economic growth, or we call it development and performance, because the studies are often based on a mixture of industrial field research and desk-based data analysis and aim to be of interest and use to practitioners in business management and investment as well as academics. Now, in engineering, construction, textiles, food, drugs, and chemicals, along with petroleum and other industries, the focus has been on not only the nature and factors facilitating and hampering the introduction of utilization of new technologies, but also the impact of few technologies based on production organization of firms and various social and other wider aspects of the technological development process. So, how and when technological development and industry perform? Number one, technological process based always on material, equipment, human skills, and operating circumstances. So, if any of these parameters change, we have to recalibrate this technology to match the design product. This recalibration can't be considered as a technology change because industrial technology is not more than an engineering guide to achieve the required specification of the design product. Now, to calibrate any industrial technology, we should make a documented copy of manufacturing experience and experiments. Again, we should utilize manufacturing experience and make a documented copy of manufacturing experiments until matching the final product specifications based on original technology. That way, new change parameters and scientific basics, as well as a after action review, are also performed. And you need an after action review because it's a guide to help correct future mistakes. Again, we should always make a documented copy of manufacturing experiments until matching the final product specifications based on the original technology, new change parameters, and scientific basics. Finally, the documentation of the new change should be done to the original industrial technology for that new case as a new addition, and any application of industrial technology for first time or after a long time stop, technology processes should be tested by primary samples known as the recalibration process. And that concludes this topic on industrial technology. If you'd like to see me make more videos, you're on the Mind of STEM, please like, share, and comment. Also, check out the 411 Talk Zone radio show on YouTube, where I give you more controversial topics, and the more detailed topics are on my Blog Talk radio show. I feature that every weekend. So if you can't find me on YouTube or Blog Talk Radio, simply look me up on Facebook and Twitter. Once again, I want to thank you for listening to this information on the Mind of STEM channel, where you get your daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. Until next time, my name is Leon Jones. Please have a wonderful and gracious day. God bless you.